He's the master. Pull them on. No. Pull them. Get him now. No.
That's how it's supposed to be. Young and wild and free. So what? I keep it rolled up, sagging my pants like Caramel Show. Keep it real with my niggas, keep it playing for these hoes. And look clean on it, watched it the other day, watch how you lean on it. Keep me some 501 jeans on and broke joints bigger than King Kong's fingers. And smoke them rolls down to their stingers. You a class clown, and if I skip from the damn with your bitch smoking green, hey, it's like a 17 on my face. Looking on the case, turn around and hella taste. I'm on the chase, Chevy, it's getting kinda heavy. Irrelevant, selling it, dipping away, time keeps slipping away.
What about this queen?
So what we smoke weed, we're just having fun. We don't care who sees. So what we go out, that's how it's supposed to be. Living young and wild and free. Even here, cause if I'm my team in here, it's gonna be some weed in the air. Tell them Mac, I'm blowing everywhere we going, and now you know it when I step right up. Get my lighter so I can light up. That's how it should be done. Soon as you thinking you're down, find how to turn things around. Now things are looking up. From the ground up, pound up this Taylor game. So turn my son up, pound up, and do my thing. Now I'm chilling, fresh out of class, feeling like I'm on my own, and I got probably on the building. Got my own car, no job, no children. Had the size project, man killed it. HD3, it's me, it's us. We gon' fuss and we gon' fight and we gon' roll and let's so what we get drunk. So what we smoke weed, we're just having fun. We don't care who sees. So what we go out, that's how it's supposed to be. Living young and wild and free. Smoke one, we moving like this, just supposed to party. Roll one, smoke one, and we all just having fun. We just roll one, smoke one, we moving like this, just supposed to party. Roll one, smoke one, and we all just having fun. We get drunk, so we smoke weed. And we don't care who sees. So we go out. That's how it's supposed to be. I've been running wild, chasing the night, breaking every rule, thinking it's right. Hurt the ones I love, pushing away. Now I'm drowning in the mess I made. I thought I was no, I was a king. I was made of shame, because deep within, I'm looking in the mirror. I don't like what I see. Man lost in darkness, begging to be free.
Aí você,